Hi everyone, my name is Mary and I'm a final year commerce student and I also work for UCD Global as a global guide. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to book a study space via the UCD Library. So first of all, you go to the UCD Library's homepage and then you click up above, use the library. Then you scroll down and then you select the study rooms and zones option. And then after that, there's a little link highlighted in blue that'll take you to where you can actually make a reservation for your seat. Also, the UCD Library is very good for guides, for referencing. It contains pretty much all of the referencing styles that is used within UCD, and it also contains guidelines for how to avoid plagiarism. To carry out with the theme of UCD being an all-inclusive campus, we also have student health services. So on campus, you can find a student doctor and of course a student nurse. But just remember that due to the pandemic, that doctor's consultations are taking place via phone, and you can see this on their website where you can be able to book an appointment and it will be a telephone consultation. On the UCD Health Services website, you'll be able to see all the details in relation to booking an appointment, but be sure to call the phone number in order to actually book your appointment. UCD Student Advisors are there to offer confidential support to all students who seek it, and there are individual student advisors for each program area. Student advisors can help with all things from elements of financial support or financial aid to even helping you appeal exam results, etc., etc. They're truly there to support you in every aspect of your university life. UCD actually sends us a weekly email relating to all the different society events that are being held during the week. But also you can go and visit the UCD Societies page where there is the calendar there that shows you which societies are hosting their events, when, and what type of events they are. There is also a section on this page where it details all the societies within UCD that you can get involved with. Be sure to check out at UCD SU as well, where they also promote events on Instagram. And of course, our Instagram at UCD Global, where we are also promoting different kinds of events throughout UCD campus.